Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. However you celebrate, if you celebrate. If not, this is a fun anti-Christmas look. It's not really an anti-Christmas look. I'm cool with Christmas. I like watching my kids open up their presents and be excited. So I like Christmas. Since I've become a mom, celebrating Christmas has been super fun for me. And I figured this year my favorite look I did was zombie Halloween look, and I thought I would recreate it for you all with this Christmas version. It's, you know, it's cool. I think the lighting here blocks out how red this really is in person and how yellow this really is in person, but so it makes it look kind of pink, but in person this looks super red. So hopefully I can get a good picture for you guys to show you what it really looks like. And hope you guys enjoyed the making of this Christmas zombie look. When I started, I felt like the Grinch for sure. So check this out. thanks for watching. I really had fun doing this one. It took a lot less time because I used these as a base, so that really helped. That really helped me get it like set. I'm just washing this off like in 10 minutes. So I might make like a TikTok or two out of it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I really had fun doing this look, and I don't know, it may be my signature zombie look. I'll do one for every holiday. No, not really, I'm not gonna do that. But I figured, why not some Gore Christmas? Gory Christmas? This green really brings out the red in my brown red eyes. Anyway, hope you guys had fun watching this guy, and hope to see you guys in the next video. I've been doing a lot of Christmas looks, so I probably will have more. I'm just gonna keep doing it. I've been doing a lot of really short ones, and I feel like those are fun for me, so we'll see what happens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share, and tell whoever you think might enjoy my videos. I don't know, there's probably some people out there that are real bored and they might not hate watching this. Thanks guys, bye.